Hi, I'm registered dietitian and chef Abbie Gelman, and today we're talking about how to stay healthy in the colder months. So the weather changes, it gets cold outside, you might be stuck at home more. We know that the holidays are around too. There might be more treats, more sweets around. And how do we stay healthy as it gets cold and all of those obstacles kind of come up? So lots of fruits and vegetables are essential. So things like apples, oranges, clementines, bananas are all available throughout the winter. You can also find vegetables like butternut squash, acorn squash, spaghetti squash. All of these winter squash varieties are available and very easy to cook in the oven or your pressure cooker or even the microwave. And then of course, onions and garlic are also great components for a lot of meals and dishes that you might make all year round, including the colder months. But on our plate here, we also have beets, which I love, and they're abundant as well in the wintertime. So you can find them, you can steam them, you can roast them. They add a nice part to any dish. In addition, I like things that are heartier sometimes in the cold. So this is polenta, which is cornmeal. We have a little cheese in there. You can also make oatmeal. So for your breakfast, oatmeal every day, steel cut, rolled oats, anything that you enjoy will be great and nice and hearty, but also super healthy. Lots of good nutrients in there. And don't forget your canned goods. I have canned beans here. We've got canned fruit. You can get canned tomatoes, all sorts of good things. You keep it around in your pantry. You can add it to your meals regularly. And it's a great way to make sure you have enough fruits and vegetables and plants around as part of your daily routine. Also on here, I have some pork tenderloin. So we've made that in the oven and sliced that up. I have a roasted pepper. So in the pepper, we've stuffed it with quinoa and black beans and some herbs and spices. So this is a really nice, delicious, well-rounded plate that works great in the colder months. And again, whatever you like and what will make it easiest for you is going to work. So maybe you're going to buy frozen brown rice or frozen quinoa that's already cooked. Canned lentils, canned beans, all super helpful. You can also buy fruit and vegetables that's frozen. So pre-chopped onions that are frozen, berries that are frozen. So they're all picked at their peak and then frozen. So you can make a smoothie if you decide that that's what you want with those fresh raspberries and blueberries and strawberries in the middle of the winter. So once again, here you go. How to eat healthy in the colder months. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions and we'll answer them in future videos. Thanks. Bye.